Com. This here is a 550 2018. We've done a 3-inch lift in the front and in the rear. The way we accomplished the front was brand new heavy duty coils in the front. So if you're looking for custom 3-inch coils for these 550s, for a gas model or a diesel model, give us a call. CustomSuspension.com. Fox shocks as well. And we did the radius arm drop from ReadyLift to put the proper caster in the front axle. If you got a 550 and you want it lifted up 3 inches, look us up, CustomSuspension.com. I'll link all the parts below in the video if you're wanting to do it yourself. When it comes to the rear, this particular job we just did an extra ReadyLift in the back with some arch it up. Some of these trucks, some of the work trucks, we're doing custom packs. We're doing brand new heavy duty packs for some of the work trucks. The guys really loading them up full of tools or welders. Brand new ReadyLift, arch it up. Fox shocks in the rear as well. This one's got the steady bearing drop as well. If you don't want to vibrate on the highway, you gotta do the steady bearing drop. This one's here, local realtor looking to lift up his truck. Wanted it fancy for advertising. Looks nice. So if you got a 550 and you want a custom lift, give us a call. Look us up, CustomSuspension.com. CustomSuspension.com. CustomSuspension.com.